Blockchain innovation is being proclaimed as the following large thing in various enterprises. While the maximum capacity of this innovation is yet to be revealed, it is as of now evident that blockchain has the ability to change the manner in which we carry on with work. Vechain is an organization utilizing blockchain to change the extravagance merchandise industry. With an incredible experienced group and style titans as accomplices, it has proactively created very much ruckus. On the off chance that you're keen on the undertaking's examination and the Vechain cost expectation, then continue to peruse. Vechain is a blockchain stage that empowers organizations to fabricate decentralized applications, dApps, and manage exchanges with more prominent straightforwardness and security. With its blockchain-based arrangements, Vechain expects to address the difficulties of falsifying, inventory network the executives, and information uprightness. By permitting organizations to follow their items and resources on the blockchain, Vechain gives a carefully designed answer for organizations and upgraded straightforwardness for shoppers. Vechain is a dispersed record innovation (DLT) stage that spotlights on improving on-store network the board. The framework uses a blend of Internet of Things, IoT, gadgets and blockchain innovation to give perceivability, recognizability, and genuineness for organizations and buyers the same. The stage was intended to zero in on the issues of falsifying and extortion in the production network industry. By utilizing the Vechain blockchain stage, organizations can follow the provenance of their items and guarantee that they are real. Furthermore, the stage can be utilized to follow the development of products and data through the inventory network. Subsequently, organizations can acquire more noteworthy perceivability into their tasks and work on their capacity to oversee risk. The Vechain blockchain stage gives an amazing asset to organizations that need to follow the provenance of their items and guarantee their legitimacy. Maybe the most exceptional part of Vechain is its foundation, which permits organizations to send off their own computerized tokens and raise supports through beginning coin contributions. This adaptability makes Vechain an alluring choice for organizations hoping to smooth out their stockpile chains and tap into the prospering universe of crypto resources. With its solid group of consultants and accomplices, Vechain is strategically situated to proceed with its development in the years to come. Bright Liu, ex-CIO of Louis Vuitton China, laid out the Vechain Group in 2015. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. The undertaking is controlled by Vechain Foundation, a philanthropic established in Singapore in 2017. On the Vechain organization, there are two particular tokens, Vechain Token, VET, already VEN, and Vechain Thor Energy, VTHO. The previous is utilized as gas or energy to influence exchanges utilizing savvy contracts, and the last option is used to send cash across the Vechain organization. The VEN token was initially sent off on the Ethereum blockchain yet later progressed to its own mainnet and changed its ticker image as a feature of the rebranding system. Who claims the Vechain crypto? The Vechain Group was established in 2015 by Louis Vuitton China's previous CIO, Sunny Liu. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. What was VET's record-breaking high? The Vechain cost history made some all-memories high of $8.2618 in January 2018. In those days, it utilized the VEN image. Might the Vechain at any point Vetcoin reach $1? The cryptographic money market is famously unstable, and foreseeing future costs is consistently a test. In any case, in light of latest things, it appears to be conceivable that Vechain could reach $1 inside the following little while. The Vechain stage has been acquiring prominence among organizations and engineers, and its cost had been consistently ascending before the crypto winter started. With additional organizations taking on Vechain for inventory network the executives and different applications, request is probably going to keep on developing. Assuming this pattern lives on, Vechain could undoubtedly reach $1 or much higher inside the following couple of years. Obviously, anything can occur in the crypto market, so this is in no way, shape or form an assurance. Notwithstanding, Vechain gives off an impression of being situated for a long-haul achievement, and $1 appears to be a sensible objective sooner rather than later. Vechain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vechain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vechain will be $0.035. The greatest level that the vet cost can reach is $0.039. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.036. Vet price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Vechain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical vet pace of $0.033 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.030 and at $0.034, separately. October 2022, Vechain price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the vet cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.033, while the most extreme could reach $0.036 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Vechain may be around $0.034. Vet price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Vechain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal vet rate they foresee may be around $0.036 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.034 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.037. December 2022, Vechain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the vet cost will be exchanged at $0.036 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vechain worth to $0.039. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.035 in December 2022. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vechain in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Vechain will be around $0.053. The most extreme expected vet cost might be around $0.064. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.055 in 2023. Vechain Price Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Vechain, in 2024, that is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.076 and $0.091, separately. The typical